Good morning. I am Shreya and I am calling from Jaipur. I wanted to get some help on what other courses can I do during lockdown with my studies. I am currently in 11th standard. हेलो आई एम समर्थ मुझे क्या आप किसी सर से कांटेक्ट करके दे पाएंगे? मैंने अभी अभी अपना चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कंप्लीट किया है एंड आई वांट सम गाइडेंस कि मैं कौन से कंपनी में ज्वाइन करूं या फिर आगे कुछ पढूं जिससे मेरी और करियर में एनहांसमेंट मुझे मिले। गुड मॉर्निंग, आई एम प्रीति फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़। मैंने आपके इस काउंसलिंग एजेंसी के बारे में वेबसाइट में पढ़ा था और मैं इस कुछ अपनी करियर को लेके थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूज हूँ कि मुझे आगे कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहिए। मैं अभी 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हूँ। बोर्ड की एग्जाम मुझे अभी देनी बाकी है, बट क्या मैं आगे क्या पढ़ूं, इस रिलेटेड आप क्या मुझे हेल्प कर पाएंगे? मेरी फ्रेंड ने आपके यहाँ से काउंसलिंग और गाइडेंस ली थी और वो बहुत खुश थी जिस तरह से आपने उसको गाइड किया था। Hello everyone. So today on the episode of podcast on TEOI, I am Priyanka, your host, and to answer the questions which I spoke in the beginning and many more such answers which any student or any confused kid will get. Today I have with me Nimish, who is representing from Career Naksha. So welcome Nimish. Do let us know about you and how can you help me in answering my questions and many more such questions from students, kids who get confused, get blocked and want some guidance in studies and career. So welcome Nimish.
Thank you, Priyanka. So, like as Priyanka said, I'm founder of Career Naksha, and we basically help students achieve their career dreams. We give them the right, unbiased counseling so that they can find the right career path using psychometrics, one-on-one mentorship, and also providing them with their self-analysis using psychometrics. So one of the things that every student they are looking out for is clarity and solving their doubts about careers, right? So one of the student that you saw, right, he was asking about what to do after 10th,
Right.
what streams to choose, what subjects to take, how do we upskill ourselves, what kind of courses we should choose. All these questions you will find in everybody's daily life, right? So either a school student or a college student or a professional, everybody is thinking about how they can accelerate their career. So Career
Absolutely.
Naksha helps in facilitating that acceleration, helps in making them clear about what they can do and how they can be successful in their life.
Wow, because I remember when I was a kid, I was confused that मैं क्या पढूं, मैं ये पढूं, मैं वो पढूं, मैं क्या करूं. And you know that time, Nimish, we except for our parents and few teachers, we never had such counseling agencies or coaching classes. So this is a very wonderful initiative which Nimish you have taken to guide support so many students across. How do you help support and counsel?
So one of the things that is very powerful is psychometrics and one-to-one counseling session. So when I
Okay.
say psychometrics, it's more about understanding yourself. So when students or graduates or professional, when they want to know exactly what fits for them in their career, they should do a self-evaluation. And self-evaluation can only happen when they take up a psychometric. So psychometrics analyzes students' personality. basically their Vyaktitva. Second, their interest, which is Ruchi Abhiruchi. Third, their abilities, which is their Shamtaएं. Third, skills. And fourth, knowledge, ज्ञान. जब ये 5 पैरामीटर्स स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रेजुएट्स और प्रोफेशनल्स अपने आपको इन पैरामीटर्स पे जब असेस करके जान पाते हैं, तब it becomes easier for them to take up the next step. So the first step in anybody's career identification or career understanding what is good for them or bad for them, it is to understand yourself, and then you take the next step.
राइट. और आपने जो 5 इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें बताई, वो तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि सिर्फ किड्स और स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं, हम जैसे young and people who have started working, ये psychometric test तो उनको तब तक काम आएगा. So I think doing this evaluation test, when you are a student, when you are a kid, will help in a long run, right?
That's totally correct. And it's basically a life cycle, right? You start from school, you graduate, you go to college, you graduate, you start working, then you have midlife crisis when you want to upskill yourself, you want to go towards a leadership position, and then you want to settle in, right? And or maybe you want to think about how you can grow faster in your career, right? So every time you get that question, how can we go faster, what can we do better, and psychometrics can be utilized at every phase of your life, right? So like you said, Priyanka, it's always good that you know at what stage what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, so that you can always focus on your weaknesses to improve yourself, and take your strengths so that you can accelerate yourself.
Right. So Nimish, where are you located as such? And now how do you connect to the students, and how do students connect to you, and how are you helping them online? Because I'm sure classes may be operative, may not be.
Right. So, Priyanka, this is a good question. As everybody, due to pandemic, and they have got aware of online education. Similarly, counseling and guidance has gone online. Almost 95% more than that, the awareness of online counseling and online guidance has increased. And primarily, we are located out of Gujarat. But again, we are not restricting ourselves to be a Gujarat only in terms of online. So online, we are not only accessing students across India, from Delhi, from Madhya Pradesh, from Hyderabad, right, from
Wow.
East India, even outside of India. Many students, we have clients, we have students who are outside of India, from Dubai, from Saudi Arabia, from US, Canada, Australia. So again, with the online career counseling, the limit of being in a particular location has been eliminated. We have 1,000+ psychologists, career coaches, then career experts and counselors on our platform. So we can definitely connect student one-to-one. Once they come to our platform, we through social media, through our website, through our Android app, everything. So digitally, they can get connected to all the handles by the name of Career Naksha. And once they get connected, they directly reach out to us. We connect with a mentor, and then they can take the counseling.
Okay. So it's more of one-on-one counseling?
Yes. So one-to-one counseling is very, you can say, outcome based. It is a scientific process wherein
Right.
how a student can go from taking the psychometric test to case history to one-to-one counseling session for knowing their future state. So we have devised certain steps in order to make the counseling effective. And when we say one-to-one, the counseling session actually also gets more and more useful when the parents are present with the student. So we make sure that parents are also present with the student during the counseling session.
I think that's very important, that you involve parents also, so that it's important for them also to know what the kids want. And, because many a times, it happens that
Hello.
kids want, hello, that kids want to learn something, kids want to pursue something, but the parents don't want. So I think it is very, very important for the parents also to counsel to an extent that what exactly kids want, and how can kids also accommodate or appreciate the parents expectations. So Nimish, I mean, do you only guide or counsel students, or do you
So
get
let me
them
tell you a
connected?
basic difference. Yeah. So there is always a confusion between parents, students, and even people who are seeking help. So
Right.
counseling and guidance, these are two different words. Okay.
Correct.
And mentorship, again, there is a third term. So these three terms, counseling, guidance, and mentorship. So counseling means something which you help, okay, wherein there is some problem and you're solving a problem for the other student or the parent or somebody who is taking your help. Okay.
Right.
So that's basically counseling. Guidance is something which is a long term,
Correct.
or you can say something which is some wherein you take help, but you are guided by a mentor or a professional or somebody who takes a challenge of building something out of you. For example, helping you upscale, helping you take achieve your goal, or helping find some solutions to the problems, right, over a
Right.
period of time. So guidance is something which is a long term. Okay. Counseling is generally short term, and mentorship is something where you constantly, whenever there are problems that you are facing, you have somebody who is backing you, who is always giving you tips to improve, giving you ways to enhance. So somebody who is from industry, who understand your problem, they are experienced, right, in your field of uh, in your area of expertise, or in the area that you are working on. So again, these three terms are three different terms, and we provide all the three in different parts and different ways. And again, depending on the problem, depending on how student want to take help from our platform, we do all three.
Right. So I think this is a unique kind of initiative which you have taken, where, guidance, counseling, mentorship, all three comes under one roof, guided by many mentors and teachers and professors. So that's wonderful. So I have I mean, it is striking my mind that, like in urban areas, we have such counseling, a few counseling centers, and we have people around us who are educated, who are intelligent, who would guide the students in metros and urban areas. Do you even counsel or guide and mentor students in rural areas?
Yes, definitely. So our almost 80 to 90% of our initiatives are targeted towards rural areas, to government schools, and areas where we all good resources are not accessible, right? And we call ourselves also as a social enterprise, and not something related to just a commercial business, but we are more into social side of things. And when I say that, we collaborate with government initiatives, we collaborate with NGOs, we collaborate with communities in the local bodies, wherein we can go at the ground level to make a difference in these rural schools, government schools, which do not get access to all the resources that urban areas possess, right? So we give them awareness about what is happening in the world, what are the job opportunities, where they can start focusing on, right? Where they should put their energy. And since they can't afford a lot of those resources, these initiatives are majorly funded by corporates. They are funded by philanthropic organizations, and we basically cover all our cost through such really generous organizations. And with their help and support, we do all our projects like Project Disha, Project Sarthi, Project Udan. These are some of our initiatives that we have been doing in the last 3 years.
Wow, wonderful. And I think when you say guidance and when you say mentorship, without any reason, it clearly comes out that Career Naksha is only and only focusing, to do a social and a very noble cause. And as you mentioned, that you have students and clients not only from India but abroad. So I think it goes global. So, what other activities does Career Naksha do to help students in rural areas specifically?
Yes. So in rural areas, we go vernacular, we go in language, because most of the time students in rural areas, they won't understand English, right? So if
Yeah.
we are in Gujarat, they will understand Gujarati. If they are in Uttar Pradesh, they will understand Hindi. If they are in Rajasthan, they will understand Hindi, right? So we all our initiatives, all our even psychometrics, our counseling, everything becomes vernacular in that aspect. That's one. Second, when we go to these rural schools, we also do a lot of educational awareness in terms of what to study, what not to study, where to focus, how to become upskilled so that you can work along with your education, right? How can you connect with the industry mentors? How can you like take help from people who are looking to help uh, rural students, right? So we are also creating a bridge between these corporates who have a lot of ample of resources in order to make a difference at the ground level by connecting with the students. So some of these projects help in making these rural students become more and more self-reliant. They start thinking, they get exposure, they get information which is not readily available to them. And
Right.
that's how even the small initiatives make a lot of difference eventually for them to take up decision and continue the education. Because one of the biggest problem in rural areas even today, even in states like Gujarat and Rajasthan, which are considered to be progressive states, is dropout ratio. You will find girls, you will find even boys getting dropped out after high school, after 10th. And the
True.
major reason for that is because they start becoming a helping hand to their parents in earning. So that's very important, that whatever education they are getting, they should understand the importance that they will be able to earn, or they will be able to do the education part time. So continuing the education also becomes a basic problem that we want to solve.
Right, right, right. So, Nimish, could you share with us on what all social media platforms Career Naksha is available, and how do somebody who needs guidance or counseling or who needs a mentor can approach Career Naksha?
Sure. So we are very highly active on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. These all social media platforms. Then we also have our website www.careernaksha.com. We get a lot of organic traffic. Then we also have Android app, right? We do continuous live sessions. Also, we have a lot of initiatives that we have done by bringing experts from different fields. So if you look at our Instagram page, Facebook page, and YouTube channel, you'll find people coming from even Bollywood, people coming from diverse areas like sports, right? Who have built their career, who have been successful in their life, and they come to motivate students to really give them an understanding that every field is unique, every field has scope and opportunities. It's only just about hard work, finding your passion, and continuing your hard work.
Wow, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Yes, so while talking to you, I just, you know, saw the posts which were there in careernaksha.com and the Instagram and the Facebook page. They are so simple, so informative, and so easy to understand and very catchy simultaneously. Anybody can get so much of information out of those posts. And when it is easy to understand and see, I think the message goes very clear to the audience and to the kids also.
Right.
So I actually wanted to say this quote that education is not preparation for life. Education is life in itself. And I think, Nimish, you and the team of Career Naksha is not only providing education, counseling, guiding, mentorship, but giving life to so many students, kids, and for that matter entrepreneurs who are approaching you for any kind of support. And that is a wonderful job, which nevertheless to say that it is a noble cause. And since you all are reaching to the rural kids and the rural areas, that itself stands out so effectively, that education is so very important. And the academy like yours, the counseling agency like yours is, we need more and more. So thank you so much, Nimish, for the initiative you have taken to educate kids and students across India. And you mentioned, um, apart from India, you get a lot of clients and students from abroad also. So thank you so much for joining us, Nimish.
Thank you, Priyanka, and thank you for giving that quote. That also reminds us and everybody who is going to listen this podcast is because to understand why you are taking up education, why you are learning something, why you should ask that question whenever you are doing that. That gives you an understanding of how you can take your life further and how you can be more happy and satisfied, because eventually the goal of any kind of education is to apply it in your real life and also become more and more successful, happy, and satisfied. So thank you,
Absolutely.
Priyanka, for having me, and thank you for providing me this platform. Thank you so much.
We are very grateful to have you on the platform of Pod Brand from TEOI. And to all the listeners and viewers, we'll be sharing all the social media handles of Career Naksha. Please do check their sites, their website, their Instagram, their Facebook, their Twitter pages. Easy to learn, easy to understand, and do approach them for any kind of support you need anywhere in India or anywhere in the world. They will be happy to help you. They will be happy to support you. So that's all for today. I, Priyanka, signs off. And once again, Nimish, thank you so much. And thanks to Career Naksha too